Hello friends, I hope you are looking for the best foldable mattresses, so you have clicked this video. In this video, we will discuss foldable mattresses which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. The Milliard 6-inch memory foam trifold mattress is one of the best folding mattresses you can find on the market today. Featuring a high-density memory foam, this mattress guarantees maximum comfort levels when sleeping. The foam comes with a jacquard bamboo cover which makes sure that the mattress is durable enough for long-term usage. By and large, the Milliard Trifold Foldable Mattress offers you the ideal balance of durability, portability, and comfort. The mattress is equipped with a 4-5-inch foam that is capped by 1-5 inches of memory foam for a fantastic sleeping experience. The incorporated high-density foam ensures that the folding mattress remains stable and firm as you sleep on it, while the foam alters the mattress so it would perfectly fit you. Apart from that, the bed is well ventilated for air circulation that helps control the temperature of the mattress for optimum comfort. The Milliard Trifold mattress comes with a soft, lightweight jacquard bamboo cover to protect its foam from damage. Besides, the cover comes with an anti-slip base to make sure that the mattress doesn't slide around when placed on flat surfaces. The foam cover is also machine washable, meaning that you can remove it to wash for convenient and easy cleaning. What are our favorite features? Merges polyurethane foam and memory foam. No chemical odors. Thick and comfortable. Unfolds and folds quickly. Number 2. Best Choice Folding Portable Twin Mattress. If you are looking for an attractive but powerful mattress that will enhance your sleeping experience significantly, there is no looking past the Best Choice Products Thick Folding Portable Twin Mattress. The foldable mattress comes with an admirable netted style cover that is beautiful, neat, and effective. The high-quality foldable mattress comes in a variety of sizes: twin, full, and queen. With its high-density foam, this reliable foldable mattress doesn't sag after a few years. The components used for the inside of the mattress are superior materials that prevent the foam from bulging or disintegrating over time. The model features a foam-filled construction, which guarantees the blissful comfort all through your sleep with no tolerance for distress, particularly for light sleepers. The foldable mattress comes with a 4-inch foam that gives perfect repose and comfort to the users. With the large dimensions offered by this portable bed, you'll have an unbeatable sleeping experience on it, since the mattress has a thick, compact foam which maintains even distribution of comfort. There is no room for muscle pains and body aches. Despite all the good attributes it has though, the mattress takes around 3 days to expand fully and is also a bit heavier than regular foldable mattresses. What are its best features? Produced using high-density foam. Machine washable cover. 4 inches thick. Trifold easy transport. CertiPURUS certified. Number 3. Best Price Tri-Fold Memory Foam Mattress. The Best Price Mattress BPM for TMT Trifold combines a thicker high-density base foam layer with a thinner memory foam layer to offer great support and comfort at a little of the price of full memory foam mattresses. The high-density foam is very firm, while the 1-5-inch thick memory foam on top offers adequate support for comfort. Side sleepers, however, may find this mattress too firm. Furthermore, instead of a single sheet of foam, this mattress comes with a trifold design that enables you to fold it up, store and transport it with ease, and since it comes with a carry case, you can travel along with this in your car on road trips. Consequently, a lot of users take this mattress with them on their RV trips or when they have to stay in cabins with less comfortable mattresses. Another positive attribute is its removable and machine washable cover, which makes it easy to clean. Overall, this is a high-quality foldable mattress that is entirely deserving of its spot on our list. Further, it is backed by a 5-year warranty, which you are not likely to use since the mattress is very durable and won't likely sag and sink into the floor over time and use. What makes it stand out? Affordable price. Many sizes are available. Includes a carry case. Machine washable cover. Number 4. Cozzzi Twin Folding Mattress. While this mattress is not the biggest model out there, it compensates for what it lacks in size with versatility and comfort. This particular model can also be used as a sofa, which makes it an ideal companion during long camping trips. As with most foldable mattresses, the Cozzzi Twin Folding Mattress is produced with high-density foam that guarantees both firmness and comfort at once. Besides, it should still be adequately strong and big to easily support a relatively large person, even though it is far from being the biggest foldable mattress on the market. Additionally, the portable size means you can slide the mattress into your closet easily for storage or jam it into your car's trunk when going on a trip. Another advantage with this mattress is that it comes with a removable cover that can be washed by machine. It is, however, vital to note that the underside and the upper face of the cover are produced using different materials. The cover's underside is a stiffer, thicker material, which is a huge plus. Sadly, a lot of users complain about the underside material starting to wear away after a couple of uses. While this should not lead to any significant problems, it is still something you need to note. Nevertheless, this is the only noticeable blemish, and otherwise, the mattress appears like a decent option for an extensive variety of circumstances. What are its best features? Comfy, high-density foam. Lightweight construction for portability. Extensive varieties of functions. Removable cover. Number 5. Cushy Form Trifold Mattress. A folding mattress by Cushy Form is a great choice for a guest bed or a camping trip. Since it's very lightweight and compact, you can easily carry it or store it when you don't need it. Plus, it comes with a handy storage case, a great addition according to many users. Even though it's not very thick, only 4 inches, it provides ample support because it's made of high-density polyfoam. However, it's a bit on the firm side, so it might not be the best solution for side sleepers who need a higher level of pressure relief. Another advantage of the Cushy Foam folding mattress is its versatility, namely, you can easily transform it into a comfy seat or sofa. Furthermore, it features a removable cover, so you can easily take it off and wash it in a washing machine. Pros: a removable cover, a matching storage case, ample support. Cons: available in one size only. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.